Retell the Chiropractic Story. Story by Todd Waters. Art by Paul Waters. Narrated by Dr. Thomas Lamar. This book is based upon the discovery of chiropractic as told by its founder, D.D. Palmer, and his son, B.J. This is D.D. Palmer. He was a doctor of magnetic healing in Davenport, Iowa. He used his hands as magnets to draw away sickness from his patients. One day, a man came into his office with a broom. D.D. Palmer made a joke. "Sorry," he said, "I can heal people, but I can't do anything for your broom." D.D. laughed, but the man did not hear any of it. D.D. repeated himself louder, but the man still did not hear him. So D.D. talked into the man's ear and asked, "Can you hear me? What is your name?" The man replied, "My name is Harvey Lillard. I can't hear so well. I haven't been able to hear for 17 years. I am the janitor and have come to sweep your floors." "Never mind the floor. Tell me how you became deaf," Dr. D.D. Palmer said. Harvey explained, "A long time ago, I bent down to pick up a heavy weight. I tried to lift it, but I hurt my back. That is when I lost my hearing." D.D. asked Harvey to show him where he hurt his back. There was a large bump on Harvey's back that didn't look right. His spine seemed to be out of place. D.D. told Harvey to lie on his table so he could try to fix the bump. D.D. found it curious that the man lost his hearing when he hurt his back. Maybe if the spine was corrected, Harvey's hearing would return. Harvey lay on the table. D.D. put his hands together over the bump on Harvey's spine. He gave a quick push. Pop! Went Harvey's back. "Oh, what was that loud noise?" Harvey exclaimed. "Can you hear me, Harvey? Did you hear the popping noise when I pushed on your back?" D.D. asked. Harvey sat up and said, "Yes, Dr. Palmer, I think I did." D.D. wanted to test Harvey's hearing further. He called for his son B.J., and the boy came right away. "Yes, Father, what is it?" B.J. asked. "This is Harvey Lillard. He would like to meet you," D.D. said. "Hello, sir," the boy replied. "I am B.J. Palmer. It's nice to meet you." Harvey jumped off the table. "Land sakes, I heard the boy speak!" Harvey exclaimed. "Tell me, boy, what is today's date?" B.J. replied, "Why, it's September 18th, 1895, sir." Harvey laughed and said, "I heard that! You cured me, Dr. Palmer." "Come back tomorrow, Harvey, and we'll have another look at your spine," D.D. said. The next day, Harvey returned to Dr. Palmer's office. D.D. felt for the bump. It was not as big this time. D.D. put his hands together and quickly pushed down on Harvey's back. The bones of Harvey's spine returned to their proper place and made a popping noise. Harvey could now hear as well as anyone because of Dr. Palmer's adjustments. Dr. D.D. Palmer had discovered a new healing science. He named it chiropractic. It meant hand practice. D.D. Palmer and Harvey Lillard shared the news of how Harvey's hearing was restored with the new science. They told the chiropractic story to everyone they could. D.D. printed the story in a newspaper that B.J. delivered to many homes in Davenport. People came from miles around to see Dr. Palmer. They hoped that chiropractic would help them with their health problems, like it had helped Harvey Lillard. Dr. Palmer checked their spines to see if any bones were out of place. He corrected their spines with adjustments using only his hands. Chiropractic restored health to many. Some no longer needed their canes or crutches. Dr. Palmer was asked how he performed so many miraculous cures. "I do not cure people," he explained. "Chiropractic does not cure people. It is the body that cures. The body is the most miraculous workshop of all. The chiropractor just moves any displaced bones to clear nerve channels so the body can function properly and heal itself. Your brain is in charge of everything in the body. It keeps everything functioning the best it can. Your brain sends signals through the spinal cord to the smaller nerves that go to all parts of your body. Your spine is made of rings of bone around your spinal cord for its protection. Those bony rings are called vertebrae. Many times, vertebrae go out of place. When this happens, they can't protect properly. Instead of protecting, they irritate the spinal cord and nerves. This interferes with signals sent to and from the brain. This interference is called a subluxation. If this happens, your body can't function right. Chiropractors adjust spines to get rid of subluxations. Chiropractors keep the nerve system free of interference so that you can be the healthiest you can be. BJ grew up observing his father practice chiropractic. He learned how to adjust spines from his father. They decided all the people of the world needed chiropractic care, but the two of them could not adjust everyone themselves. Dee Dee and BJ Palmer started the Palmer School of Chiropractic. They taught many men and women how to adjust spines. Soon, almost every town around the world had a chiropractor. Today, your chiropractor adjusts your spine to help keep your body working the best that it can. Chiropractors adjust babies, children, grown-ups, and grandmas and grandpas. Chiropractic can help everyone. When the nerve system has little interference, the body can do what it was designed to do to its fullest and adapt to the stresses of life. With plenty of nerve force, there is life and health. With little nerve force, the body is weak and sick. With chiropractic, we have a better ability to live. Now that you know what chiropractic can do for you, be sure to tell the chiropractic story to everyone.